What if the smartphone you check hundreds of times a day simply stopped existing? No screen in your pocket, no tapping, no scrolling, just technology that responds the moment you think, speak, or move. Smartphones changed the world, but cracks are starting to show. Screens demand attention. Batteries die daily. Notifications never stop. Engineers and tech companies are already building what comes next, and these tools do not improve phones. They remove them. In today's video, you will see 12 real technologies already being developed that could replace smartphones completely. These are not movie ideas. They are being tested right now in labs, startups, and early consumer products. As you listen, imagine daily life without pulling a phone from your pocket. Let's begin. 1. Neural interfaces. At number 1, we have neural interfaces technology controlled by thought. These systems read brain signals and turn them into digital actions. Instead of typing, you think. Instead of touching a screen, your brain becomes the controller. Neural interfaces allow users to send messages, open apps, play music, or control devices using only mental signals. There is no keyboard, no display, and no physical effort. Brain signals are translated into commands in real time. This technology could remove the slow, clunky steps smartphones require. Thought becomes faster than touch. Interaction becomes silent and private. Over time, phones could feel outdated compared to direct brain communication. Early versions focus on medical and accessibility use, but consumer versions are being explored. The biggest shift is mental. Technology no longer lives in your hand. It responds directly to your intent. 2. AI-powered smart glasses. Next, we have AI-powered smart glasses, a screenless digital layer over reality. These glasses deliver information directly into your field of vision while keeping your hands free. You can see directions on the street, receive messages, translate languages, and ask questions without stopping. Voice commands trigger AI responses instantly. Information appears where you are already looking. Unlike smartphones, smart glasses do not pull attention away from the world. They blend digital data into daily movement. Walking, working, and traveling stay natural. As AI improves, these glasses become personal assistants that stay with you all day. No pocket device needed. No constant checking. The phone becomes unnecessary when knowledge floats quietly in front of your eyes. 3. AI holographic assistants. At number 3, we have AI holographic assistants, your phone brought into physical space. These devices project a three-dimensional assistant you can see, hear, and speak to. Instead of a flat screen, a digital character appears in midair. It responds with voice, movement, and personality. Tasks like scheduling, reminders, research, and communication happen naturally through conversation. This removes the need for apps. One assistant replaces dozens of phone functions. Interaction feels human instead of mechanical. As projection and AI improve, holograms become portable and personal. Your assistant no longer lives inside a device. It appears when needed and disappears when not. 4. Shape-shifting wearables. Next, we have shape-shifting wearables, devices that physically change form. These gadgets stretch, fold, and adapt based on what you need at the moment. They can wrap around your wrist as a tracker, expand into a display, or flatten into a keyboard. One device replaces many tools. Smart materials and AI allow the device to respond to touch, movement, and environment. Instead of switching devices, the device becomes what you need. This removes the idea of carrying multiple gadgets. The smartphone becomes unnecessary when your wearable reshapes itself to match each task. 5. Levitating displays. At number 5, we have levitating displays, screens that float in the air. These displays use advanced projection and field control to create interactive visuals without physical screens. You swipe, tap, and interact with content suspended in space. Videos, messages, and maps appear in front of you with no device in hand. Combined with gesture control and AI, levitating displays create a fully hands-free experience. Information exists without glass or frames. As this technology matures, The idea of holding a phone feels unnecessary. Screens no longer need surfaces. They appear only when needed. 6. Solar-powered electronic skin. Next, we have solar-powered electronic skin, turning your body into a smart interface. This ultra-thin material sticks to skin and powers itself using light. It tracks health data like heart rate and temperature while also acting as a control surface. You tap, swipe, or gesture on your skin to trigger actions. There are no batteries to charge and no screens to manage. The technology stays active all day without effort. This replaces phones, watches, and trackers with something that becomes part of you. Technology moves from carried to worn. 7. Smart contact lenses. At number 7, we have smart contact lenses, screens inside your eye. These lenses project digital information directly onto your vision. Messages, directions, alerts, and translations appear naturally as you look around. Eye movement and blinking control interaction. No one else sees the interface. There is no visible device. Information arrives instantly where your focus already is. This removes the need for external screens completely. The phone disappears when your vision becomes the display. 8. AI memory companions. Next, we have AI memory companions, digital recall systems that remember everything for you. These AI tools record experiences and allow instant recall. You can ask where you left something, what you discussed, or what happened on a specific day. The AI responds with precise answers. This replaces notes, reminders, calendars, and photo apps. Memory becomes searchable. When recall becomes effortless, the smartphone's role shrinks. Information retrieval no longer requires scrolling or searching. 9. Virtual reality workstations. At number 9, we have virtual reality workstations. These systems replace physical screens with infinite digital space. You create multiple screens, collaborate with others, and work inside immersive environments. No desk limitations. No device clutter. Work, communication, and creativity merge into one space. Smartphones become irrelevant for productivity tasks. VR workstations also improve focus by removing outside distractions. Everything you need stays within your field of view. Meetings feel more present, even with people across the world. Over time, work becomes more flexible and location independent. Daily digital tasks no longer depend on a phone or laptop. 10. Ultrasonic toothbrush interfaces. Next, we have ultrasonic toothbrush interfaces, and they show how everyday tools quietly become smart hubs. These devices clean teeth hands-free using high-frequency vibrations, often completing a full clean in under a minute. Built-in sensors track brushing time, pressure, and coverage, then send that data to an AI health system. Instead of opening a phone app every day, your oral health updates automatically in the background. This shifts health tracking away from screens and into routine habits. The toothbrush becomes part of a larger intelligent system that monitors wellness without effort. Over time, many small smart tools like this reduce the need for a central device. Intelligence spreads into objects you already use. The smartphone slowly loses relevance as daily data collection becomes automatic. 11. Voice-driven ambient systems. At number 11, we have voice-driven ambient systems, and they change how technology fits into daily life. Instead of opening apps or tapping screens, you simply speak, and the system responds. Schedules, reminders, navigation messages, and information requests happen through natural conversation. These systems listen across environments, at home, in cars, at work, and even while walking outside. There is no need to look down or stop what you are doing. AI begins to understand context, tone, and intent, allowing it to act before you ask. Reminders surface at the right moment. Directions adjust in real time. Messages are handled without interruption. As voice AI becomes more proactive and aware, phones start to feel slow and unnecessary. Interaction becomes continuous rather than task-based. Technology fades into the background while remaining fully available. 12. Unified personal AI agents. Finally, at number 12, we have unified personal AI agents. And this may be the clearest reason smartphones could disappear. Instead of opening dozens of apps, one intelligent system understands your goals and handles everything for you. You do not tap icons or search menus. You speak intentions, and the AI takes action. Booking travel, scheduling meetings, replying to messages, managing finances, and finding information all happen through natural conversation. These agents learn your habits, preferences, and routines over time. They know when you usually wake up, how you work, and what matters most in your day. Because of this, they act before problems appear. Reminders arrive at the right moment. Tasks are completed without repeated instructions. Information is delivered only when it is useful. This completely removes app clutter and constant switching between tools. The interface becomes invisible. When one AI manages your digital life smoothly, the smartphone loses its role as a central hub. Technology becomes calm, personal, and always present without demanding attention. There you have the 12 real technologies that could replace smartphones in the future. None of them rely on scrolling, tapping, or staring at glass. They remove friction from daily life by blending technology into thought, vision, voice, and movement. The future is not about better phones. It is about technology becoming invisible. If this video made you rethink the device in your pocket, hit the like button. Share it with someone who feels tired of screens. And subscribe for more deep dives into real technology shaping the future before it arrives.